रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ डेट 4/7/2024. Okay. You have learned about human reproductive system and its function in chapter 2. Now let's discuss a closely related topic, reproductive health. What do you understand by this term? This term simply refers to healthy reproductive organ with normal function. This term simply refers to the healthy reproductive organ with normal function. However, it has a broader perspective and including the emotional and social aspect of reproduction also. According to the World Health Organization (WHO), reproductive health means a totally well-being in all aspects of reproduction: physical, emotional, behavior, and social. Therefore, a society with the people having physical and functional normal reproductive organ and normal emotion and behavioral interaction among them in all sex related aspects might be called reproductive healthy. Why is it significant to maintain reproductive health, and what are the methods to take to achieve it? Let us examine them. Reproductive health, a problem and a strategy. India was amongst the first country in the world to initiate action plan and program at a national level to attain a totally reproductive healthy health as a social goal. हाँ, कैसा गोल था? Social goal. Okay. This program called the family planning were initiated in 1951 and were periodically assessed over the past decade. Improved program covering improved program जो हुआ कवर किया improved program covering wider reproductive related area and currently in operation under the popular name Reproductive and Child Health Care RCH program, creating awareness among people about various reproductive related aspects and providing facility and support for building up a reproductive healthy society are the major tasks under this program. Reproductive and चाइल्ड हेल्थ केयर प्रोग्राम में क्या मेन एम है इसका? creating awareness among people about various reproductive related aspects and provide facility and support for building up a reproductive healthy society and are the major tasks under this program. Okay. With the help of audio visual रेडियो जैसे and the printing media, government and non-government agencies have taken a various steps to create awareness among the people about reproductive related aspects. Parent and other closely relative, teacher and friend also have a major role in this dissemination of the above information. कौन कौन? Parent, closely relative, teacher and friend also have a major role in the dissemination of this above information. Okay. Introduction of sex education in schools should also be encouraged to provide right information to the young so to the discourage children from the believing in myth and having misconceptions about the sex related aspect. Proper information about reproductive organ, adolescence and relative change, safe and hygienic sexual practice, sexual transmitted disease, STD, AIDS, etc. would help people especially those in the adolescent age. हाँ, हेल्प करना कौन? जिसको जो कि स्पेशली एडोलसेंट एज में है. ग्रुप टू लीड टू द रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्दी लाइफ. Educating people especially fertile couple and those who in marriageable age group about available birth control option and care of pregnant mother. Postnatal care मतलब after birth of the mother and child. Importance of breastfeeding, equal opportunity for both male and female child, etc. Would address the importance of bringing up a socially conscious healthy family of desirable size. Awareness of problem due to the uncontrolled population growth, social evil like sex abuse and sex related crime, etc. need to be created to enable people to think and take up necessary setup to prevent them and thereby build up a socially responsible and healthy society. Okay. Successful implantation of various action plan to attain reproductive health require a strong infrastructure. Require strong infrastructure facility, professional experience and material support. यहाँ पे क्या बोल रहा है? Successful implantation of various action plan to attain reproductive health require a strong infrastructure facility and professional expertise and material support. Okay, ठीक है. These are essential to provide medical assistance and care to people in reproduction related problem like pregnancy, delivery, STD, abortion, contraception, menstruation problem and infertility. क्या बोला? These are the essential to provide medical assistance and care to the people in reproductive related problem like pregnancy, delivery, STD, abortion, contraception, menstruation cycle and infertility. Okay. Implantation of better technique and new strategy from time to time are also required to provide more efficient care and assistance to the people. हाँ. Statutory ban. Statutory क्या है? Ban on amino synthesis is for the sex determination to legally check in the increase the manifest of the female foeticide and massive child immunization etc. are some programs that are merit mentioned in this connection. यहाँ पे क्या सेंचुरी मतलब जो मेल है कि फीमेल चेक करता है उसी को बोलते हैं स्टैट्यूटरी. ठीक है. स्टैट्यूटरी बैन ऑन एमिनो synthesis for the sex determination to legally check increase the manifest of female foeticide massive child immunization etc. are some programs that are merit mentioned in this connection. Okay. In amino synthesis, some of the amniotic fluid of the developing fetus is taken to analyze of the fetal cell and dissolved substance. हाँ, amino synthesis में क्या होता है? Some of the amniotic fluid of the developing fetus is taken to analyze of the fetal cell and dissolved substance. Okay. This procedure is used to test for the presence of certain genetic disorder. कौन? Genetic disorder such as Down syndrome, hemophilia, sickle cell anemia, etc. Determine the survivability of the fetus. Research on various reproductive related areas are encouraged and supported by the government and non-government agency to find out new method and or improve open existence one. हाँ, देखो, रिसर्च ऑन वेरियस रिप्रोडक्टिव रिलेटेड एरिया आर इनकरेज्ड एंड सपोर्ट बाय गवर्नमेंट एंड नॉन गवर्नमेंट एजेंसी टू फाइंड आउट न्यू मेथड और टू इम्प्रूव अपॉन द एग्जिस्टेंस वन. डू यू नो दैट सहेली ए न्यू ओरल contraceptive for the female was developed by scientists at the Central Drug Research Institute CDRI in Lucknow, India. Better awareness about the sex related matter, increased number of medical assisted delivery and better post-natal care leading to the decrease in maternal and infant mortality rate, increase the number of couple with a small family, better dedication and cure of STD and overall increase in the medical facility for sex related problem etc. all indicate improved reproductive health of the society. All indicate the improve the reproductive health of the society. Okay. Population stabilization and birth control. In the past century, all around development in various fields significantly improved the quality of life of the people. However, increased health facility along with the better living condition had an explosive impact on the growth of the population. हाँ, इतना तेज़ी से ग्रोथ क्यों पॉपुलेशन बढ़ रहा है? इसका एक ये भी कारण है. इंक्रीज हेल्थ फैसिलिटी along with the better living condition had an explosive impact on the growth of population. The world population, which was around 2 billion in 2000 million in 1900, rocket about 6 billion by 2000 and 7.2 billion in 2011. A similar trend was observed in India too. our population was approximately 3 300 350 million at the time of our independence, reached close to the billion mark by 2000 and crossed 1.2 billion in May 2011. बाप रे. A rapid decline in the death rate, maternally mortality rate and infant mortality rate, okay, as well as the increase in the number of people in reproductive age are probably reason for this. हाँ, इतना तेजी से क्यों पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ कर रहा. पहला तो ओरिजिन था जो ऊपर अभी हम बताए थे, और दूसरा था रैपिड डिक्लाइन इन द डेथ रेट ऑफ मैटरनल मोर्टेलिटी रेट और इन्फेंट मोर्टेलिटी रेट एज वेल, और क्या था, और एज वेल एज इंक्रीज द पीपल इन द रिप्रोडक्टिव एज आर प्रोबेबली रीजन फॉर दिस. ओके. थ्रू आवर रिप्रोडक्टिव चाइल्ड हेल्थ RCG program, thought we could bring down the population growth rate. It was only marginal. हाँ हाँ, हम रिप्रोडक्टिव चाइल्ड हेल्थ की प्रोग्राम से थाउट वी कुड ब्रिंग डाउन द पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ, जिससे हम पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ को कम किए. इट वाज ओनली मार्जिनल, जो क्या था, ये ओनली मार्जिनल था, मार्जिनल थोड़ा सा था. ओके. अकॉर्डिंग टू द 2011 सेंसस रिपोर्टेड द पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ रेट वाज लेस देन 2%. पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ रेट वाज लेस देन 2%, लेस देन 2% हुआ. ओके. to 20 by 1000 by year, a rate at which our population could increase rapidly. Such an alarming growth rate could lead to an absolute sacrifice of even the basic requirement: food, shelter, clothing, food, shelter, clothing, in respect of significant program made in those area. Therefore, the government was forced to take up serious measure to check this population growth rate. The most important step to overcome of this problem is to motivate a smaller family by using various contraceptive method. हाँ, population growth को हम कम कर सकते हैं कि इसके लिए एक ही इसका हमको the most important step to overcome the problem is to motivate a smaller family by using various contraceptive method. You might have been seen advertisement in this media as well as poster bill showing a happy couple with two children with a slogan हम दो हमारे दो, we two our two. Many couples, mostly the young urban and working ones, have been adopt one child norm. हाँ, many couple, बहुत सारा couple, many couple, mostly the young urban and working. urban मतलब शहरी, ठीक है. Once have been adopted one child norm. Okay. Statutory rising of measurable age of the female 18 year and the males was 21 year. An incentive given to the couple with small families are two of the other measurable taken to tackle this problem. Let us describe some of the commonly used contraceptive methods which help prevent unwanted pregnancy. An ideal contraceptive should be user-friendly, easy available, effective, and reversible, and with no or least side effect. No or least side effect. It was should in no way interfere with the sexual drive. हाँ, no interfere with the sexual drive and desire and or the sexual act of the user. Okay. A wide range of contraceptive method and presently available, which could be broadly grouped into the following category, namely the natural or traditional, barrier, IUD, oral contraceptive, injectable, implantation, and surgical method. Okay. Natural method, working on the principle of avoiding chance of ovum and sperm meeting. हाँ, नेचुरल मेथड क्या है? नेचुरल मेथड वर्किंग ऑन द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ अवॉइडिंग चांस ऑफ ओवम एंड स्पर्म मीटिंग. ओके. इसमें आता पीरियोडिक एविस्टेशन इज वन such method in which the couple avoid or abstain from coitus from day 10 to 17 of the menstruation cycle when ovulation could be expected. Ovulation expected होता था. Okay. A chance of fertilization are very high during this period. Chance of fertilization क्या होता है? Chance of fertilization very high during this period. It's called the fertile period. Okay. Therefore, by the abstation from the coitus during this period, conception could be prevented. हाँ, conception could be prevented. Okay. दूसरा withdrawal or coitus interrupted is another method in which male partner withdraws his penis from the vagina just before the ejaculation to avoid insemination. Okay. फिर lactational amenorrhea, absence of menstruation method is based on the fact that ovulation and therefore the cycle do not occur during the period of instant lactation जब दूध पिलाता है. Flowing parturition. हाँ, therefore as long as the mother breastfeed the child fully, chance of contraception are almost nil. हाँ, जब तक माँ अपने बच्चे को दूध पिलाती है तब तक चांस ऑफ कंसेप्शन आर ऑलमोस्ट nil. Okay. However, this method has been reported is to be effective only up to maximum period of 6 months. Flowing parturition, जब से बच्चा पैदा होता है तब से 6 month तक कामयाब रहता है. As no medicine or device are used in this method. ठीक है. साइड इफेक्ट आर ऑलमोस्ट नील. हाँ, साइड इफेक्ट आर ऑलमोस्ट नील. कोई भी इसमें मेडिसिन यूज किया जाए इसलिए साइड इफेक्ट आर ऑलमोस्ट नील नेचुरल मेथड में. चांस ऑफ फेलियर होता है. हाँ, चांस ऑफ फेलियर थाउट ऑफ दिस मेथड आर वेरी. नेचुरल और ट्रेडिशनल मेथड चांस ऑफ फेलियर बहुत हाई होता है. ओके. इन बैरियर मेथड ovum and sperm are prevented from physically meeting with the help of barriers. Such as methods are available for both male and females. Condoms are barrier made of thin rubber, patla सा rubber, thin rubber and latex sheet that are used to cover the penis in the male or the vagina and cervix in the female just before coitus, so that the ejaculation semen could not enter into the female reproductive tract. दिस कैन प्रिवेंट कंसेप्शन. हाँ, जो कि कंसेप्शन को प्रिवेंट करता है. निरोध इज अ पॉपुलर ब्रांड ऑफ कंडोम फॉर द मेल. ओके. यूज ऑफ कंडोम हैज इंक्रीज इन रिसेंट ईयर ड्यू टू द एडिशनल बेनिफिट ऑफ द प्रोटेक्शन द यूजर फ्रॉम द कंट्रैक्टिंग STI एंड एड्स. हाँ, उसका यूज आज को कंडोम का यूज बहुत बढ़ गया. क्यों? पहला, protecting the user from the contracting STI and AIDS. Both the male and female condom are disposable. हाँ, दोनों कंडोम जो होता है डिस्पोजल होता है and can be self inserted and thereby give privacy to the user. और क्या होता है? सेल्फ इंजर्टेबल होता है. दोनों मेल एंड फीमेल कंडोम जो होता है सेल्फ इंजर्टेबल होता है and give privacy to the user. Okay. Diaphragm, cervical cap and valvettes are the barrier made of rubber that are injected into female reproductive tract cover the cervix during the coitus. They prevent conception by blocking the entry of sperm through the cervix. Okay. They are reusable. क्या होता है? reusable होता है. reusable होता है. As per medical cream, jellies and foams are usually used along with this barrier to increase their contraceptive efficiency. Okay. Another effective and popular method to use intrauterine device. These devices are inserted by doctor or expert nurse in the uterus through vagina. Okay. The intrauterine devices are presently available in the non-mediated IUD. Non-mediated IUD lip slop. Non-mediated IUD lip slop. Copper releasing IUD CU7 multilobe 375 and hormone releasing IUD is progesterone or LNG20. IUD increase phagocyte of sperm within the uterus and the copper ions release suppress the spermatolity. Okay, and the fertilizing capacity of sperm. Okay, the hormone releasing IUD in addition make the uterus unsuitable for implantation and the cervix hostile to the sperm. हाँ, हार्मोन में क्या होता है, इन एडिशन make the uterus unsuitable for implantation and the cervix hostile for the sperm. Okay, IUD are the ideal contraceptive for the फीमेल, हाँ IUD are the ideal है contraceptive for the female, okay, who want to delay pregnancy and or space children. Okay, it is one of the most widely expected method contraceptive in India. Oral administry of a small dose of either prostogen or estrogen combination is another contraceptive method used by the female. These are the used in the form of tablet and hence are popularly called the pills. Pills have been taken daily for the period of 21 days, starting primarily within the first 5 days. First 5 days of menstruation cycle. After a gap of 7 days during menstruation occur, it has repeated in the same pattern till the female desire to prevent conception. They inhibit ovulation and implantation as well as the alter the quality of cervix mucus to prevent or retard the entry of sperm. हाँ, यहाँ पे क्या बोला देखो, हाँ पिल्स क्या करता है, दे इनहिबिट ओव्यूलेशन, इनहिबिट क्या करता है ओव्यूलेशन एंड इम्प्लांटेशन एज वेल एज द अल्टर द क्वालिटी ऑफ सर्वैक्स म्यूकस टू प्रिवेंट एंड रिटार्ड द स्पर्म. हाँ, दे इनहिबिट ओव्यूलेशन and implantation as well as the alter the quality of cervix mucus to prevent retard into sperm. Okay, pills are very effectively with laser side effect. हाँ, pills जो होता है very effective with laser side effect, very effective होता है but laser side effect and are well accepted by the female. Okay, Saheli, the new oral contraceptive for the female contain non-steroidal, क्या होता है non-steroidal preparation. It is once a week pill with a few side effect, with very few side effect and high contracepting value. Okay, once pill with a very few side effect and a high contraceptive value. Implantation. Okay, progesterone along or in combination with estrogen can be used by female as injection or implantation under the skin. Their mode of action is similar to the pills and their effective period are much longer. Administration of the progesterone or prostogen-estrogen combination or IUD within 72 hours of coitus have been found to be very effective as emergency contraceptive as they could be used to avoid possible pregnancy due to the rape or casual unprotected intercourse. Okay, surgical method also called sterilization are generally advised for the male and female partner as a terminal method to prevent any more pregnancy. Surgical interaction block gamete transport and thereby prevent conception. हाँ, क्या बोल रहे हैं यहाँ पे, सर्जिकल इंटरेक्टिंग ब्लॉक गैमिट ट्रांसपोर्ट. हाँ, सर्जिकल इंटरेक्शन क्या करता है, अ ब्लॉक गैमिट ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड देयर बाय प्रिवेंट कंसेप्शन. ओके, स्टेरिलाइजेशन प्रोसीड्यूर इन द मेल called vasectomy and the female is called TVTOM. In vasectomy, a small part of the vasa differentia is removed or tied through the small incision on the scrotum. In vasectomy, a small part of the vasa differentia is removed or tied up through a small incision on the scrotum. Okay, where in the TVTOM, a small part of the fallopian is removed or tied through the small incision, दोनों में small incision होता है, to the abdominal or through vagina. In the abdominal or through vagina. These techniques are highly effective but their reversible is very poor. हाँ, effective है सर्जिकल मेथड, very effective but their reversible is very poor. हाँ, reversible बहुत कमज़ोर है. Okay, it need to emphasize that the selection of suitable contraceptive method and use should always to undertaking in the consult with the qualified medicinal professional. One must also remember that the contraceptive are not regular requirement for the maintenance of the reproductive health. हाँ, not regular requirement for the maintenance of the reproductive health. In fact, they are practice against a natural reproductive event. They are practice against a natural reproductive event, conception of pregnancy. One is forced to use one is forced to use this method either to prevent pregnancy or delay or space pregnancy due to the personal reason. No doubt the widespread use of this method have a significant role in checking uncontrolled growth of population. However, their possible ill effects like nausea, abdominal pain, breakthrough bleeding, or irregular menstruation bleeding, or even breast cancer, through not very significant, should not totally ignored. Okay. The med the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Abridgment Act 2017 was enacted by the Government of India with the intent of the reducing the incidence of illegal abortion. इसको क्यों कौन इंसिडेंस था उसका? Reducing the illegal abortion and the consequence of maternal mortality rate and morbidity. According to this act, a pregnancy may be terminated on a certain considered ground with the first 12 week of pregnancy on the opinion of the one registered medical practitioner. If the pregnancy was lasted for more than 12 weeks but lower than 24 weeks, register medical to register medical practitioner must be the opinion forward in the good faith that the required ground exists. The ground for such termination of pregnancy are: पहला, the continuance of the pregnancy would involve the risk of the life of the pregnant woman or of the grace injury female or the mental health. Okay, there is a subsequently risk that the child were born it suffer from the physical or mental abnormality as be seriously handicapped. ओके ठीक है, समझ लिया यहाँ तक. अब मेडिकल टर्मिनेशन ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी एमटीपी. मेडिकल टर्मिनेशन ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी एमटीपी इंटेंशनली और वॉलेंट्री या और वॉलेंट्री टर्मिनेशन ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी बिफोर फुल term is called medical termination of pregnancy MTP या induced abortion. Nearly 45 to 50 million MTP are performed in a year all over the world, which account to 1/5 of the total number of conceived pregnancy in a year. बाप रे. Where the accepted or illegally MTP are not being developed open in many countries due to the emotional, ethical, religious, and social issues involved in it. Government of India legalized MTP in 1971 with some restricted conditions to avoid the misuse. Such restrictions are all the more important to check indiscrimination and illegal female fetus which are reported to be high in India. Why MTPs? Why MTP? Obviously, the answer is to get rid of unwanted pregnancy either due to the causal unprotected intercourse or the failure of the contraceptive during the coitus or ref. MTP are essentially in the certain case where continue of the pregnancy could be harmful for even fatal either to the mother or to the fetus or both. Okay, MTP are considered relatively safe during the first trimester up to the 12 week of pregnancy. Second trimester abortion are much riskier. One disturbing trend observed is that majority of the MTP are performed illegally by unqualified courses which are not only unsafe but could be fatal too. Another dangerous trend is the misuse of amino synthetics to determine the sex of unborn child. Frequently, if the fetus is found to be female, it followed by MTP. This is totally against what is legal. Okay. Such practice should be avoided because of the danger both for the young mother and the fetus. Effective counseling on the need to be avoid unprotected coitus and risk of the factor involved in the illegal abortion, as well as providing more health care facility could reverse the mentioned unhealthy trends. Okay. Sexual transmitted infection STI. Infection or disease which are transmitted through sexual intercourse are collectively called sexual transmit infection STI or venereal disease or reproductive tract infection. uh, Gonorrhea, syphilis, genital herpes, chlamydia, genital warts, trichomoniasis, hepatitis B, uh, and of course the most discussed infection in recent years, HIV, leading to the AIDS, are some of the common STI. Among these, HIV infection is most dangerous. Amongst these, HIV infection is most dangerous and discussed in detail in chapter 7. Some of these infections like hepatitis B, HIV can also be transmitted by sharing of the injection needle, surgical instrument देखो some of the infection like hepatitis B and HIV can also be transmitted by sharing of the injecting needle and surgical instrument, etc. With infected person transmission of blood or from the infected mother to the fetus too. Except for hepatitis B, genital herpes, and HIV infection, other diseases are completely curable if detected early and treated properly. Okay, early symptoms of the most of these are minor. Most of these are minor, including itching, fuel discharge, slightly pain, swelling, etc. In the genital region, infected female may often be asymptomatic and hence may be remain undetected for long. Absence or less significant impact absence or less significant symptom in the early stage of this infection and the social stigma attached to the STI deter the infected person from going for timely detection and proper treatment. This could lead to the complication later, which include pelvic inflammatory disease (PID), abortion, stillbirth, ectopic pregnancy, infertility, or even cancer of the reproductive tract. STI are the major threat to the healthy society. हाँ, STI are the major threat of a healthy society. Okay. Therefore, prevention or early detection and cure of the disease are the primary consideration under the reproductive health care program. हाँ, यहाँ पे क्या बोल रहा है? Therefore, prevention or early detection and cure of this disease are given primary consideration under the reproductive child health program. Okay. Thought all persons are vulnerable to this infection. Their incidence are reported to be very high among the person in the age group of 15 to 24 year of the age group which you also belong. Yes, there is no reason to panic because prevention is possible. Prevention is possible. One could to be free of this infection by following the simple personal given below. First, avoid sex with unknown partner or multiple partner. Always try to use condom during sex. In the case of doubt, one should go to qualified doctor for early detection and get complication treat if dangerous with the infection. Treatment if diagnosis with the infection. Okay, infertility. What infertility? A discussion on reproductive health is incomplete without a mention of infertility. A large number of couples all over the world, including India, are infertility. They are unable to produce children in spite of unprotected sexual cohabitation. Okay. The reason for this could be many physical, congenital, disease, drug, immunological, or even physiological. In India, often the female are blamed for the couple being childless, but more often than not, the problem lies in the male partner. Okay, a specialist healthcare unit infertility, a specialized healthcare unit, जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं infertility clinic, could help diagnose and diagnosed and a corrective treatment of some of this disorder and enable this couple to have children. However, such correction are not possible. The couple could be assist to the have children through the certain special technique commonly called assist reproductive technology art assist reproductive children health. In vitro fertilization, IVF fertilization outside of the body, in almost similar condition as the in the body. Fluid by the embryo transfer (ET) is one of the such method. In this method, probably known as test tube baby program, ova from the wife donor female and sperm from the husband or donor female are collectively are introduced to form zygote. Zygote under the stimulate, मतलब similar condition as in the uh, 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 uterus. Condition in the laboratory. The zygote or early embryo with the up to 8 blastomere could be transmitted into the fallopian tube chipped. Zygote intra-fallopian transfer and the embryo more than 8 blastomere into the uterus. Intrauterine transfer to complete it further development. Okay. Embryo form in the vivo fertilization fusion of gamete or within the female. So could assist used for such transfer to assist those female who cannot conceive. Transfer of an ovum collected from a donor into the fallopian tube. Transfer of an ovum collected from a donor into the fallopian tube equal zygote intra-fallopian transfer of another female who cannot produce one, but can provide suitable environment for fertilization, and the further development is another method to attempt. Intracytoplasmic sperm injection is another specialized procedure to form an embryo in the laboratory in which sperm is directly injected to the ovum. Okay. Infert- Infertility case either due to the inability of male partner to inseminate or with the female or due to the very low sperm count in the ejaculation could also be corrected by artificial insemination technique. In this technique, the semen collected either from the husband or the healthy donor is artificial introduced either due to the vagina or into the uterus. Intrauterine insemination of the female. Thought options are many. All these techniques require extremely high precision handling by specialized professional and expensive instrumental. Therefore, these facilities are presently available only in the very few centers in the India. Center. Obviously, their benefit is affordable to only a limited number of people. Emotional, religious, and social factors are also determined in the adaptation of this method. कौन emotional, religious, and social factors are also determine the adaptation of this method. Emotional, religious, and social. Since the ultimately aim to all this procedure to have children. In India, we have so many of friend, matlab anath, and distracted children who could probably not survive till maturity unless taken care of. Our law permit legal adoption, and it is as it one of the best method for couple looking for the parenthood. Okay, खत्म. अब summary. Reproductive health refers to a total well-being in all aspects of reproduction, physical, emotional, behavioral, and social. Our nation was the first nation in the world to initiate various action plans at the national level toward attaining a reproductive healthy society. Counseling and creating awareness among people about reproductive organ, adolescence, and associated change, safe and hygienic sexual practice, sexual transmitted infection, including AIDS, etc. It is the primary step toward reproductive health, providing medical facility and care of the problem like menstruation, irregularity, pregnancy-related aspect, delivery, medical treatment of pregnancy, STI, birth control, infertility, postnatal child health care. Maternal management is another important aspect of the reproductive and child health care program. An overall improvement in the reproductive health has taken place in our country as indicated by reduced maternal and infant mortality rate, early detection and cure of STI assist to infertility couples, etc. Improve health facility and better living condition promote an explosive growth of population. Such an growth necessity intense propagation of contraceptive method. Various contraceptive options are available now such as natural, traditional, barrier, IUD pills, injectable implantation, surgical method. Third, contraceptives are not regular requirement for the reproductive health. हाँ क्या है यहाँ पे Third, contraceptives are not regular requirement for reproductive health. One is forced to use them to avoid pregnancy or delay the space pregnancy. हाँ okay. Medical termination of pregnancy is legalized in our country. MTP is generally performed to get rid of unwanted pregnancy due to rapes, casual relationship, etc. Also, in the case when the continuity of the pregnancy could be harmful, even fatal, either of the mother or fatal or both. Infection or disease transmitted through sexual intercourse are called sexual transmitted disease (STI). Pelvic inflammatory disease (PIDS). uh, Stillbirth, infertility are some of the complications of them. Mm. Early detection facility better cure of this disease. Avoiding sexual intercourse with unknown multiple partner, use of condom during coitus are some of simple precautions to avoid contracepting STI. Inability of consequence or produce children even after 2 years of unprotected sexual cohabitation is called infertility. Various methods are now available to help such couple. Various methods are not available to help such couple. In vitro fertilization followed by transfer of embryo into the female genetical tract or one such method can be commonly called the test tube baby program. और ये खत्म.